Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, today is a big day, a jolly day, joyful day, Alhamdulillah. After many struggles, let's say 2 years of struggle, we are getting our electrical meter fitted in, which means, Alhamdulillah, we can move and progress towards opening the masjid, inshallah. And this is a huge milestone, which means very much possible we might just open in the duration of the month of Ramadan. So maybe in the next week or 2 weeks we might just open up, inshallah ta'ala. So a huge success, inshallah. We're just heading towards Ardrossan, and just to see and congratulate the team there, inshallah, on the installation of the meter. Alhamdulillah, this masjid that we've bought and the community's helped to bring it together, it's in the North Ayrshire of Scotland, which alhamdulillah is at the coast. And alhamdulillah, the beautiful view that you could see from the masjid is that you just come out and you're able to see this sea in front of you, which is alhamdulillah the most perfect thing. So Ardrossan, if anyone's not ever come across it, I would definitely advise the brothers that with their families that they should actually make their way to Ardrossan to see it, and enjoy the weather there when it's sunny, taban, and come and see the masjid. And the masjid's been a very uphill struggle, to be honest. It was a building which we didn't anticipate the amount of work that would be needed. I'm assuming the fact that the building was, alhamdulillah, was quite cheap to purchase, but the works that which entailed meant the fact that we have to renew the whole roof. That meant the fact that we remove the whole roof, put the whole roof back on again, the sarking, the felt, the slates, and then the lead work, and the new gutters, or removing of the stones and replacing them. And then it meant the fact that to make the building water and wind tight, it meant the fact that we had to do the whole masonry works, that the stones had to be cleaned and all the rendering of the cement had to be removed, the pointing had to be redone. Alhamdulillah, we went through that phase also. Then internally there was a demolition of the building internally, which we've removed everything internally, strengthened the foundations and rebuilt the masjid. And we also put structures in place, metal structures to support the existing roof, and then metal structure for the second floor. And then we've built the masjid from the inside, and this has taken almost 2.5 years to get it completed. But I think we are at the stage now where inshallah we will see the opening of the masjid this Ramadan. With this electrical meter going in, we will see the fact that inshallah we're able to turn the lights on, and we're able to inshallah get the heating on in there and get the people coming and going, inshallah. So we're hoping to inshallah take the brothers and sisters there, and let's see the building for yourselves. Jazakallahu khairan. This is a milestone in the whole process of building our masjid in Ardrossan. We've had a huge struggle, and today inshallah alhamdulillah we'll be seeing our meter being installed, inshallah, and have some light in here and heating, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakallah khair.